nasayang lahat ng initiative na yan because I've learned a lot. And then what I did is last year po, I decided to create a website. And then this website po, I submitted this po as my research innovation. And then last September po, it was validated and approved. So this website po, since our challenge po kasi bilang history teacher po is yung mga fake news and fake information. That's why I decided po to come up with this website wherein all the credible resources po can be included na po on that website na pwede na po ma-access ng bata kahit po merong we are in the alternative delivery mode, kapag po may bagyo, kapag po may pandemic, lahat na po doon included na, even the modules, the interactive teaching tool, pwede po ma-access ng bata, even yung mga 3D museums po. Kapag po ang topic po namin ay about prehistory, ginagamit ko po yung National Museum website, which is 3D. And then talagang nag-engage po ang bata. And then we have this interactive tool, the word wall, yung mga sa Khan Academy po, ini-include ko po doon. And then the Google Earth, kapag po sinabi ng mga estudyante ko na yes po, our topic is about Greece. So, do you want to go to Greece? Sabi ko ganyan sa Hana, yes ma'am. Then I'll just include it, I type it in the Google Earth, and then magta-travel na po kami sa sa Greece during that time. That's why very appealing po sa bata, and it